What's up everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at Bradford. A couple of my students found my channel, so, well, new students from this year because I have other ones, doesn't matter. Philip, what's up? Shout out to you, and James. I know you guys are watching. Maybe not James. Maybe Josh. Maybe Josh is watching. Maybe James and Josh are watching. I don't know. But I know Philip's watching. He mentions my videos every day. Anyways, we're going to take a look at Bradford. The Azell Rec Center is opening in 2 weeks. It's opening on the 13th of November. They just put that out today. Azell Rec Center is in Sawgrass Grove. You'll see kind of where it's at, and I'll outline that in the video a little bit. But we're going to look at Bradford, so let's check it out. The Villages just put out news that Azell Rec Center will be open on November 13th. That's pretty big news coming today, so you'll be able to go in the Azell Rec Center. It's got a golf theme, and it does have an indoor fitness center. So Bradford is in the area just south of Chitty Chatty, right along Morse Boulevard, where it turns to go to Warm Springs. That's the area we are going to look at today. Alright, so today we're going to take a look at the Bradford area. Of course, we've already kind of outlined that. Last time I looked at Bradford was probably about 18 months ago. So you can see it's pretty well filled up except for the one house there, or one lot I should say. Now I'm wondering if they're even going to build on that lot. I don't know. And then they're finishing up a pool there down below. This area is just south of Chitty Chatty, in between Chitty Chatty and the St. Catherine area, alongside of the Chitty Chatty Preserve area here. There's a walk-run trail that goes around the entire east side of Bradford. And then you have the golf cart path that goes along the west side, which the west side is along Morse Boulevard, where we're actually headed north. So Morse is on your left here, and that walking path is on your right. You can see the little Bradford area rec center down here in the middle. That's that community rec center where they have the pool. No shuffleboard or anything here, but you'll see actually later in the video I'm going to show you the Aviary Rec Center, which is right across the street, and the Azell Rec Center, which is in Sawgrass Grove, which is kind of going to be the square for this area. So Bradford is actually about, I'd say, probably 30 to 40 minutes by golf cart from Brownwood Square. Brownwood is west-northwest of Bradford, and 30 to 40 minutes by golf cart. Now if you're driving, it's probably, Brownwood's about, I don't know, 5, maybe 10 minutes at most. I would say close to 5. On the western side of Bradford is Hawkins. We just did a video on that yesterday. So to the west is that Hawkins area, which isn't done yet, and Sawgrass Grove isn't done yet. And as of today, when I'm shooting this video, it is October 28th, 2021. The Azell Rec Center will be open in 2 weeks. They're opening it on the 13th of November 2021. So that's coming along pretty quick, and then the rest of Sawgrass Grove won't be too far behind with the live entertainment and all of that stuff. I have noticed the Villages is definitely putting some more color in the houses. If you haven't noticed recently, a lot more reds and some different color houses. Like I think I saw some black houses over, or really dark colors down over in the Case and Hammock, Citrus Grove areas, and the new areas down by Newell. This is the southern side. You see that walking path, southern side of Bradford, and through those trees, that's actually St. Catherine on the other side. which you see, and actually the Azell Rec Center is up in the top of that. Now if you look right across the street here, you can see the Aviary Rec Center. That's going to be the rec center that has your it's not a huge pool like the Sawgrass Grove Zell Rec Center has, but it's another community pool. But you got the shuffleboard, tennis courts, pickleball courts, and that's right across the street from Bradford. So you can see that there. Definitely community gatherings and such. Chitty Chatty does a lot of events, I've noticed. I'm not sure how many Bradford does when they get together, but I'm sure they do the same thing. And then you see the bag toss there as well. Beautiful area again, just like Hawkins with the views. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. We are so close to 3,000, and we will see you in the next one.